How to fix Snapchat camera quality on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how to fix your camera quality of your Snapchat application on your Android phone. So first of all, log into your Snapchat and click on your profile. Then go to settings and scroll down to click on clear data option and go to clear cache and just tap on clear. After you do that, open your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Click on it, and if there is any update available, just simply click on Update to update your Snapchat application. Now go back and open your phone settings, scroll down and go to General and click on Storage. Then look out for Snapchat and simply uninstall the app but keep the data. After you do this, you need to reinstall your Snapchat from the Play Store. After reinstalling it, go to Settings and find Snapchat and make sure that the app has an access to camera. This way, your problem can be fixed. This is how you can fix Snapchat camera quality on Android. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.